I'm going to mix all this up, put this in here, a pinch of thyme. Alright guys, so that's the chicken done. Alright guys, welcome back. This is one of the ways I like to do roast chicken. You lot are gonna love this recipe. It's beautiful. All the ingredients that we've got complements itself. I'm gonna make it easy on the ingredients I use. You can add more root vegetables to this. You can add parsnips. You can do cauliflower, broccoli, and whatever. You can do whatever, sweet. But we're gonna keep this one simple. But I'm gonna show you the basics of what I'm gonna do. Now, the one thing that's gonna help me with this is this beauty. Now, what that beauty is, this video might already be up, it might not. It's when we made our fresh garlic and herb butter. This you can use for anything. You can put a bit of this in a pan, fry up your mushrooms. But this has got garlic in it. It's got fresh parsley, fresh thyme, and fresh rosemary, where it's been chopped and it's been mixed with salted butter. So I've got these out. You probably want to take these out 30 minutes before, not too long, because you don't want it to start melting and you're wasting some of that juice and natural flavour on the grease booth. This is going to go on the chicken. So we've got a whole chicken there. We've got washed and clean. What we're going to have is we've got about 4 potatoes here, 3 carrots sliced in pieces like this, 1 nicely chopped onion with 2 garlic nicely sliced. That is basically gonna go with this, because that's all gonna mix together and it's gonna go around the chicken, as you'll see in a second. Now, for the seasoning, we've got 2 teaspoons of all-purpose seasoning. Be careful on the salt, guys, because this does contain salt, and so does the butter. So you don't want to put too much of this, or you don't want to add salt to it. Salt is something you can add after, so it's not a big of a deal. And here we've just got a teaspoon of mixed herb. The reason I'm not putting any more than a teaspoon, which I would normally do, is because we've got this. This is whole grain mustard seed, guys, and here we've got rosemary, and here what we've got is about half to 3/4 of a pack of stuffing. So as we've got the vegetables here, yeah, we're gonna mix all this up. This is a bit where we're gonna get this stuffing, open this bit up here, and we're gonna put this in here. We're gonna want to put both these seasoning in here. That's the all-purpose and the mixed herb. We're gonna take 3 pieces of this garlic and herb butter. We're gonna do this in our hands so it starts to melt. We're gonna keep a little bit of that in there from whatever's fallen down, because we're going to put more on the front. So we've got this herb here, mix it in our hands, and this is what we're going to do. Literally a pinch of mixed herb, and when I say pinch, I'm talking about literally half a teaspoon. And then what we're gonna do is, because we wanna herb that chicken. We wanna, every bite of this you cut and you have on a plate, you wanna basically have it looking beautiful. Because remember, all that butter is gonna run off anyway, yeah. Remember, you got the rosemary. Literally a pinch of thyme. Yeah, because when you pour your gravy on this and you're eating it and you're cutting it, you can have this with plain mashed potato with no seasoning in it, just a bit of salt and pepper. When you're having this with it and a mouthful of that, you're gonna get that power. Perfect. As you can probably see, I'm covering it. Let me show you guys. I want to have that gap, yeah, because I don't want the foil to really be touching the seasoning to do this. Alright guys, so that's the chicken done. Oh, can't wait to taste a bit of this. So look at this. See that? As it is here, so you guys can see. Look at that. You can just see how moist that is. Let me move this over here a little bit. You can even just see that freshness even. I'm just going to put that bit on the plate. Alright guys, I've pulled this out of the tray. Obviously there's still some juice in there, as you can probably see. I'm going to add about a tablespoon. Nice tablespoon. Well, actually 1.5 tablespoon of onion and gravy. There we have it guys. Simply and easily done. Again, don't complicate it, don't make it hard on yourself. Okay, some horseradish on that guys. Now let me know what you think if you make this recipe, and yeah, share it, rate it, like it, and get at me in the comments.